What's the feeling? It's cold, right? Sobrang
nice.
lamig. Ganda ng front ng
And there's no stars again. Why?
Hi guys! Welcome to another staycation series. And currently, nasa tayo?
We're back in Baguio.
Hotel. Kasi ito yung pinaka malapit dun sa
Victory Liner.
sa Victory Liner. Just to share, 2023 December, nagpunta rin kami ng Baguio. It's the same day, December 6 din kami pumunta ng Baguio that time. Kinuha namin time is maaga. Ano oras? Mga 6 yung alis namin, no? 6. Pero maaga kami gumising. So, ang nangyari, syempre excited. Kulang ka na sa tulog, tapos maaga ka pagigising. Kasi first time namin yun as family, pupunta ng Baguio. So, medyo memorable para sa akin yung time na yun. And then, so yun, nakarating kami sa terminal ng mga maaga. Tapos maaga rin naman kami nakarating ng Baguio, mga mag-11. Then, nakapag-check-in kami nun sa Venus Park Hotel naman kami that time. Unfortunately, since parang, alam mo yun, sabi na nila pag pinaghahandaan mo yung travel, mas parang hindi siya ganun, it's either hindi matutuloy yung plano mo or may mangyayari, ganyan. So, nung nag-day 1 kami sa Baguio that time, syempre, meron akong itinerary na ginawa. So, pagdating namin, ganito yung gagawin namin. Kasi I want to maximize yung time. Unfortunately, since yun na, pagod sa biyahe, puyat, tapos parang masyado kong minaximize kasi yung time for the itinerary na pinlat ko, napagod. Nagkasakit sa Aiden that time. Tapos, kinailangan na lang namin umuwi ng maaga, pabalik ng Manila. Siyempre, lalagnat na siya. So, yung day 1 namin, okay pa nung gabi, pero yung the following day, hapon nun, nagkasakit na siya. So, yung day 3 sana namin na hapon pa yung uwi, nagkanap kami ng early slot. Parang nagpunta lang kami ng Baguio para matulog sa hotel. Parang ganun yung nangyari. So, sobrang frustrated ako that time. Umiyak ako kasi parang sabi ko, first family Baguio namin yun. Tapos, ganun yung nangyari. Sabi ko, one day, babalik ka pa ng Baguio. Kailangan kong i-recreate yung moment. Kasi, wait lang, Baguio is my favorite actually na place. I love traveling, I love seeing nature. Yun talaga yung favorite na ginagawa ko. Moment na yun, na ang pangit ng last memory ko with Baguio. And hindi ko matanggap yun. So, I've decided na we're going back here in Baguio to recreate that moment.
So, ready na. 1 year later.
Yeah, pero syempre, we've learned namin, ang binook namin is yung 12:15. Pero syempre, expected ko na yung, kasi kapag madaling araw ka alis, mga 3 to 4 hours lang andito ka na. Pero since 12:15, tapos long weekend pa, kasi December 8 is walang pasok, traffic talaga. So, 12:15 nakarating kami dito 6. Nabot kami na 6 hours. Traffic sa Metro Manila, traffic sa
Magsi-6.
NLEX, traffic doon. And yun, nung papalapit dito, medyo traffic na rin. Maraming umakyat kasi it's long weekend na. Okay, so sabi namin staycation series and we decided to stay dito sa Microtel, Baguio. Kasi this is, isa na namin Victory Liner. Nandito lang din siya.
Meron
Kumbaga,
ding bridge.
meron siyang connecting bridge papunta dito sa Microtel. Para yung normal kasi, bababa ka ng
Tapos,
sakay ka pa ng medyo hassle.
Tapos meron din ng parang merong breakfast buffet tapos nandito na rin yung Grumpy Joe's.
Yes, medyo malapit din gusto namin kainan. Gusto ko ang microtel kasi homey vibe siya. Actually, hindi siya yung okay naman siya, pero kumbaga huwag kang mag-expect na super perfect ng mga amenities na may will do room tour. Pero homey siya. I think makaka-chillax kami dito. So we'll be staying here for ilang 2 nights. Nabook ko to via Agoda. So, naghanap-hanap kasi muna ako ng hotel. Kasi naisip ko, since ito talaga yung parang pinaka-convenient na hindi na kami mapapagod na lumipat-lipat. Kasi pag uwi, dito rin naman kami sasakay. So, nag-microtel na ako. So, nabook ko siya sa Agoda, worth 4,000 plus. Pero siyempre sa Agoda naman, may mga plus-plus pa yun, diba? So, umabot ako ng 11K for this room, for the 2 nights. Ayan! So, let's have a room tour!
First of all, of course, we have the bathroom, 3 towels, and toothbrushes, then faucet. It's very cold. And a shower.
So, yung shower
It's
nila, may hot and cold naman yan. Don't worry.
And it's not glass shower, it's curtain shower.
Yeah. Okay, so that's for the bathroom.
Tissues.
So, let's
Next.
go to the
We have
bed.
the sink with the bags. And
So,
of
yung
course,
nakuha namin is 2 queen.
beds.
2 queen size na bed.
My first time having my own bed.
Nung doon ka rin natulog sa East Waters pa, mag-isa ka lang din eh. Okay, so yan nga. Meron tayong 2 queen size bed.
Next thing to make ice.
For ice yan.
Then 2 glasses and a pouring thing. Then we have this TV.
Okay lang na. Okay na.
Freezer. Okay. A chair. Some trash cans. Then we have a floor AC.
Tapos yan. Kaya sasabi ko sa inyo kanina, parang huwag tayo masyadong mag-expect. Like, kasi yung sa aircon, di ba? Normally sa mga upgraded hotel, ano na yan eh. Ang tawag dito?
Ceiling and
Oo. Yung,
then we have a view.
so, ito yung view namin. It's the parking lot. Ayoko rin medyo mag-book doon sa mga medyo liblib. Parang ang hirap kasi kapag may kailangan ka, tapos malayo ka sa city. Also, ito yung parang pinaka wardrobe or cabinet nila. So, nandito yung safe. And meron ding ayun, ano daw dyan? Sleepers. Yun lang.
Then we have telephones and lights.
Comfy naman yung bed.
That's it.
Ano yun? Is that an alarm clock or what?
Huwag mo na yun i-add.
Snooze. Alarm clock yan. Yeah. And that's it for the room tour. I think this is very sulit na for 4,000 or 5,000 worth. Kasi Microtel is kilala rin naman talaga sila. Meron sila sa may MOA, meron din sila alam ko sa Boracay and other places. Kumbaga, matagal ng hotel si Microtel. Alright! We're gonna go outside and look for our...
dinner.
And
I need pizza and pesto.
okay. See you. Bye. Alright, go. for our breakfast. Say hi. Is that strawberry taho?
Yes.
Yeah, hot
And then it's
chocolate.
fresh from the farm.
What?
Fresh from the farm.
Yeah.
We'll see you there.
Yeah. Shall we eat? Bye. Ang lutong, guys. Sobrang fresh ng gulay nila dito.
Time is almost 11. We are going to leave this hotel at 12. So what do you have to say for our hotel review?
So first, sa hotel mismo, sa Microtel, ang advantage niya talaga is actually na katabi niya yung Victory Liner. Kung Victory Liner yung magiging bus nyo. And yung connecting bridge, that's very, very convenient. Lalo na,
Very useful.
yeah, kagabi nag-start kasi umambon. So, yun, at least nasa loob ka, di ba? And I like the bed. It's so comfy. Tapos, dalawang queen size kasi siya. So, yung first night namin, magkahiwalay kami ni Aiden. Yung sobrang, relax ka. Kasi ang lapad-lapad ng bed mo. Yung hot and cold shower nila, very good kasi mabilis uminit. What I don't like, wala naman. Siguro yung lang, soap. Kasi body and na siya, hair. And actually yung aircon hindi namin talaga siya magamit. Kasi malamig na talaga dito sa sa room. What do you like about this hotel?
Very spacious, of course. You can sleep very nice because it's really cold. And that's really it. That's just it.
Yung TV nila, okay naman, hindi ka lang makapag-Netflix or YouTube. And maganda yung front niya, in fairness ha. Ramdam na ramdam mo yung Christmas. Sa buffet, actually very limited yung options. Meron lang silang 2 kinds ng ulam and vegetable. Tapos yung normal na salad, syempre Baguio to. Fresh talaga yung mga gulay nila dito. Tapos breads, yun lang. Ganun lang kasimple yung buffet nila. Pero okay na din. Pwede na din. Ikaw, do you like the food here?
Yeah, I like the food, but the thing is, it's just limited.
And
Bye.
that's it. See you on our next staycation series.